We are honored to call upon someone whose dedication to our institution ensures that every activity is meaningful and impactful.
To provide us with the context and the spirit of this event, please join us in welcoming with a warm round of applause Ms. Demas Ryan Espesidas, Administrative Officer 5, who will present the rationale of the program.
To our dear honorees, retired personnel of JRMSU, our campus director, Dr. Sergio A. Tabiran Jr., sir, the associate deans, the families of the retirees, associate deans, program chairs, faculty and staff, students, good afternoon. This joint retirement celebration is organized to honor and recognize the dedicated service, unwavering commitment, and invaluable contributions of Engineer Christian B. Partosa, Professor Marilyn S. Espejo, and Mr. Alfredo E. Penado, who together have dedicated years of government service to Zarizal Memorial State University. Through decades of selfless service, they have nurtured generations of learners, strengthened the institution's academic excellence, and left an indelible mark on the professional and cultural life of the university. This meaningful gathering serves as a heartfelt tribute to their lifelong dedication and enduring legacy they leave behind. It offers colleagues, friends, and members of the university community an opportunity to express deep gratitude, admiration, and affection for their passion, mentorship, and leadership. Their careers stand as a testament to perseverance, professionalism, and service that go far beyond duty. Beyond their formal titles and years of service, these retirees have touched lives in deeply personal and inspiring ways. Professor Marilyn S. Espejo, lovingly known as Ma'am Espejo, is remembered as a walay libog, game kaayo, talented, and young at heart mentor, a science professor, a mother figure who extended guidance, encouragement, and care to everyone she worked with. Mr. Alfredo E. Penado, fondly called Sir Bobby, has been a constant father figure in the university community. He is the bandmaster, a dedicated choir trainer, a mentor in all things about music, and a truly creative soul whose passion continues to resonate in every performance he shaped. Engineer Christian B. Partosa, the Associate Dean of the College of Computing Studies, known to many as Sir Parts, is admired as a chess genius and a brilliant individual who courageously stands up for his rights and for his colleagues, speaks with conviction, and inspires others through his insights on business, leadership, and the mindset of a future billionaire. Anchored in the themes of friendship, unity, gratitude, these celebrations symbolizes the strong bonds they have forged across the university community as they step into a new chapter of life. This is not merely a farewell, but a joyful recognition of a journey filled with accomplishments, inspiration, and genuine mentorship. The values they have embodied and the lives they have influenced continue to guide and inspire future generations of the JRMSU community. With so much love and gratefulness, we extend our warmest greetings to you, Ma'am Espejo, Sir Bobby, and Sir Parts for the new chapter of your lives. Congratulations.
Thank you. Huh?
Thank you, ma'am, for reminding us that today is not just a formality.